Look, right here.
Oh, sir, I hope not.
Look. I'll pull the blanket off.
What is that, Carson? Get in it.
Look. Oh. Look, you gotta press the, where's the, you gotta, it may not be long enough to press the pedal. You gotta press the pedal. And then go backwards. Oh. Press the pedal down there. Yeah, that's it. Press it.
Match it with your foot.
With your foot. Press it with your foot. Carson. Press it. Danny, he's not going to do anything with you.
Yeah.
Press the pedal.
Say, I need to grow just like another inch.
What, buddy?
He can't reach the pedal. I didn't think about that. I didn't either. Danny, any way you can
Say, yay! It's got mirrors. Look at that. Yeah. Look up there. You just need a horn. Huh.
Horn can happen.
It's your very own truck.
for your mother.
Get in it. Here. Get in. Get in. Yeah.
Vroom, vroom.
Match that right there. Can you reach it? Sit up some. Uh-oh. What do we do? There you go. Get up.
Press it.
Oh, you gotta press the buttons. There you go. There you go.
Well, you know you can drive it if you press the button. Press the gas pedal with your foot.
There you go.
Yeah.
I press.
Hey!
Press it with your foot. I'm gonna have to make a little block and put it on the pedal.
Because he's not big enough, bless him.
Yay!
Well, he likes it. He just can't.
Say bye-bye, Carson.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.